welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordan and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So today I'm going to be cleaning out my closet and redoing my closet because, as you guys may know by now, I have redone my room and everything. So now it's time to get to that bad boy. I have been holding it off. So I went to the store, I got some baskets and a lot of hangers, and we're just gonna clean out everything. I'm not excited for this. So here is my closet right now. We only have the front decorated because in the back it is a hot mess express. So here it all is. It's super messy right now, top to bottom, and we're just gonna have to get rid of all the clothes that don't fit me, that I'm not wearing anymore, because there's a ton of that. And my Vans, a lot of them don't fit me anymore because my feet wanted to get jumbo, and now I can't really fit my Vans, sadly. So I'm not going to put any of my Vans back because they're too small. I'm just going to put all the shoes that I can fit back. So it's going to clear out a lot of space, take up. All done with my shoe area, and I'm going to donate all of these because I don't fit any of them anymore. Now we're going to move up to the clothes. So we got everything out of my closet, and now I'm going to put back the stuff I do keep, but we're going to change out the hangers like I said at the beginning. So my mom's going to help me with the hangers so this video doesn't take 14 hours. This is really cute. I remember when we got this. I really like that one. Turtleneck. Cottagecore bibs. So, pretty stylish, don't you think? Okay, so we got everything that I want in piles. So now we're going to change out the hangers so they can all match to these hangers. I really like the color and they're fuzzy. So that's pretty cool. Hey guys, so I have finished, almost finished doing my clothes. I'm almost finished. I finished one box of hangers, or like two, almost. We're going on this one now. So yeah. Let's get going still. This and this done with the hangers and that, and we just have this left. We finished! Okay, hanging all the clothes. So here we have what I did. That's what my mommy did. So now I'm going to hang it up. I'm going to try to do it like color coordinated. That might take longer, but it'll be easy if I want to wear this color, I just go to that section, you know, right? You know the vibes. And then we also have my stuff I ordered that came in a few days ago, and t-shirts that we're just going to put away instead of hang, so we have more space in that closet area. Let's get to it. Okay, so I finished the white portion. So I have this. It's not a lot if I count, because most of the white stuff are actually like what's gonna go in the dresser. So if I find more white clothing, of course I'm just gonna put it up there. Now I'm going to move on to the color. Should I do pink or red? Should I do pink? Yeah, I should do pink, huh? Because I don't want to put pink at the end of the thing. Yeah, let's do it. Look at all of this. Okay, so I'm finished with the yellow portion. Again, I might find some stuff like I missed because it's like stuff is everywhere. But now I'm gonna move on to the green. So when I was talking to you guys, I did pink. So I did pink, red, orange, and yellow. Yeah. So now I'm going to go on to green. I already see some green things I'm gonna grab. So let's go. Okay, so I finished putting all the clothes up. And it looks good, don't it? Looks like a rainbow. This chunky boy. I went online shopping and I got a lot of items. And look at this super cute daisy dress I got. It's like so beautiful. I can't wait to wear it. I'm gonna look like a fairy. Oh, I also got this one. This one's so cute. I'm gonna feel like strawberry shortcake. This super cute skirt. It's so adorable. So I'm gonna finish up, do the top, do the bottom, and I'll get back to you guys for a closet tour. Should I keep the purple pants?
I don't know. Do you want the purple pants? You were very excited about them when you first got them, but then you never wore them.
Because I don't know what I would wear them with. I remember I don't have like a good bright green shirt. No, I would look like Barney with the green shirt.
A white or a black.
Yeah.
It doesn't always have to be like a lot. It could just be a little.
I finally finished my closet 3 hours later, so come on in for the tour. As you can see, it's not like super fancy, super over the top change, but we did clear out a lot of clothes. Clearly, it used to be like to the back wall, all scrunched together. So now I have a lot of space for other stuff, more clothes if I want, but I won't be getting because my mommy's face. And then I did, as you guys saw, I did my shoe rack area, cleaned that up because it was really messy. And then I got these wicker baskets over here that hold my bags, a pillow, and in this one we have all my stuffed animals. And if you look up top, my mom hates this area up here because she does not like my squishmallows. That sounds a little squishmallowist. I'm not gonna say anything. But yeah, I love it. I think it looks cool. So yeah, that's my closet for y'all. I like the new hangers. I think they're much better than the super colorful ones, and they're fuzzy, so like they grip onto the clothes. They're velvet.
They're velvet.
I know you were gonna say that. And I really like my closet. I think it's way more clean. It doesn't look like a hot mess express like I do. That was such a bad joke.
I'm putting it in. I'm keeping it in. No,
so
I'm keeping it in.
That's like 2014 humor.
I'm keeping it in.
That was my closet, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it kind of gave you like some ideas on what to do with your closet. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys later, Tater. Bye.
Please.